Installing the Virgo shower cabin. First of all, it is very important that the designated space where the shower tray is placed is completely level. Mark the mounting points for the rail profiles. Make sure that the rail profiles are completely vertical. Make the mounting holes. Secure the rail profile. Slide the fixed shower walls into the rail profiles. Make sure that you position the shower walls in a way that the pre-drilled holes are on top. Press the rubber strips between the rail profile and the glass. Install the arched spacer bridging frame. The water level can be set by adjusting the fixed shower walls. Once the bridging frame is levelled, it can be fixed to the wall. Install the arched sill. Fit the casters on the shower doors. Hook the shower doors in place. Fit the magnetic rubber strips in place and snap on the waterproof plastic slats. Install the handles on the door. Finally, make the necessary sealing with silicone.